Hello, I'm Lucy. Today, we are going to talk about herbal tea. Drinking a cup of herbal tea is refreshing and relaxing, especially after a hectic day at work. The chemical compounds present in the herbs help to improve the mood and relieve pains. Now, if you need some quick tips on how to prepare herbal tea at the comfort of your home, we have you covered. How do you make the best herbal tea? These are quick tips on how to make herbal tea at home. 1. Avail herbal tea ingredients. Homemade herbal tea recipes usually depend on the available ingredients. Your arsenal should consist of herbal tea bags or leaves of your choice at the very basic level. 2. Create your herbal tea blend. Creating an herbal blend depends on what the user intends to achieve in the long run. Some people would want to lose weight, boost energy, treat sore throat and stomach upset. For instance, a mixture of ginger and mint tea is ideal for a soothing upset stomach. On the other hand, a blend of ginseng and ginkgo biloba is meant for boosting energy. 3. Boiling and steeping. Fill a pot full of clean water and place it on the burner. Turn heat to a high setting to foster faster boiling. There is no need to worry about the exact quantity of water due to evaporation. Turn off the burner once the water has boiled. Allow the hot water to settle for 30 seconds before measuring the exact amount for use. 4. Warm the teapot and teacup. Place these utensils in warm running water from the sink. Make sure the hot water from the faucet is attained by switching on the hot settings. 5. Add your favorite blend. Add about a spoonful of herbal tea blend into the cup. If you are using tea bags, it would be best to follow the instructions on their packages. Use 8 spoonsful of herbal tea blends for those preparing tea for a family of 5. The measurement is suitable for making tea in a pot. 6. Pour water over the herbal tea blend. Pour the hot water over the tea and allow it to steam for about 5 to 8 minutes. Try to be careful since hot water spills might burn your hands. Steeping helps the flavors to attain the desired strength. Add more herbal tea leaves to infuse more flavors for better tasting. 7. Strain the herbal tea. Use a mesh strainer to remove loose herbal tea leaves and discard them in the trash. For those individuals using tea bags, grab them and place them in the trash directly. 8. Adding a sweetener. Plain herbal tea usually has a strong and awful taste. Additionally, an artificial sweetener will help to improve the flavors and tastes. I recommend using honey instead of artificial sugars. 9. Serve the tea. Enjoy a cup of herbal tea with a snack. Peppermint tea pairs well with chocolate scones and desserts. Fruity herbal tea complements citrus desserts. How do you make herbal weight loss tea? Herbal tea preparation involves the infusion of fruits, spices, and herbs with hot water. These herbal tea ingredients lack caffeine. Research shows that drinking herbal tea will help reduce body weight and normalize hormones that trigger fat cells. These are steps on how to make herbal tea at home for weight loss. 1. Create your herbal blend in a large bowl by mixing different types of herbs. 2. Pour clean water into a kettle and heat to boiling. 3. Switch off the stove and allow the hot water to sit for 30 seconds. 4. Put the spoonful of the herbal blend in a teacup. 5. Pour the hot water and allow it to steep for 5 minutes. 6. Strain out the herbal tea and remove the tea leaves. 7. Add some honey to taste and enjoy with a snack. Brewing herbal tea at home is an art. You can improve your creativity and reinvent healthy homemade tea recipes that suit your preferences. Have you tried this herbal recipe at home? Comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.